We like to think that our programs are fast-changing, that they're contemporary, they're compelling, they're competitive. We want to give graduates of the Graham School of Business that edge that not only gets them a job, but actually puts their degree to work in a career.
Something that separated York from the other colleges and universities that I was looking at was the wide variety of majors and minors that the business school offers. I think it was really great that I could focus on my own interests and put them together in order to build my own career path.
Coming in, I chose marketing. You're learning accounting, you're learning advertising, you're learning everything that goes into running a business as a whole. It's not just numbers that go into it, but there's also a creative side that you can combine with that. It's almost art with business all put into one.
I think one of the things that makes the Graham School of Business so unique is our three-part curriculum that we offer at York College, blending the liberal arts with professional education. So you have the Bachelor of Science degrees, things like finance and accounting and economics. Then we have our Bachelor of Business Administration platform. You'll find things like integrated marketing and communication. Then we have degrees like philosophy in business, as an example, or a Bachelor of Arts in international business. So if you're interested in that business degree, but your heart and your mind is also lured to these other really interesting fields, put them together, come to York and study them both.
The classroom environment is one where we really want our students to engage in discussions with the faculty. In my 6 years, I'm still in contact with the students that I taught in my very first year. So that's the kind of relationship we've built with our students.
The Graham School of Business does a great job of setting you up with internships. I got my first internship as a sophomore. After that spring semester of my junior year, I was offered the internship with Corel as an operations specialist. My boss offered me a full-time position once I graduated.
The Wilman Business Center has a wonderful NASDAQ full-time, full-trade system on the second floor. We have lots of study space, lots of meeting rooms. The Business Center really is designed to mimic the kinds of tools and technologies and the ambiance of what you're going to experience as you move into the work world.
With the small class sizes, I think it's allowed me to come out of my shell and really participate in class, because having all these people here to encourage me and to help me has definitely made me more confident, and I'm really excited and I'm really happy that I chose York.